Welcome to today's video. Do you know that depriving yourself of just 2 hours of sleep a day could increase the bad cholesterol in your body? It could increase your cholesterol level in your body. Now let me tell you, there was a recent study that was done. The same set of people, they allowed them to sleep for 7 to 8 hours a day, and a week later they allowed them to sleep just for 5 hours a day. And what were the results? When they slept 4 to 5 hours a day, on the first night, the very first day, they saw that their bad cholesterol, the low density cholesterol, went very high. All right, so this is the science behind it. When you deprive yourself of enough sleep, your body releases more cortisol to your body. And cortisol is the stress hormone. The body is trying to understand what is going on. So it releases the stress hormone to counterbalance issues. But the problem is that those stress hormone itself is contributing to oxidative stress in your body. It is contributing to how your liver processes cholesterol and fat. So apart from the science, you will also notice that anytime you deprive yourself of enough sleep, you find yourself overeating, you find yourself demoralized, you find yourself skipping the gym, you find yourself not having good energy. So sleep does not only destroy yourself, it also complicates the choices you make. So lack of sleep poisons your body system and makes you not to be yourself. All right? So if you are pursuing good health, you are working out, you are eating right, also make sleep a priority. Do your best as much as you can to sleep a minimum of 7 hours a day. If you do that, you will understand what I just mentioned to you. Alright, that is the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section how many hours of sleep you take every day. Bye.